How to join GTA 5 roleplay server. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on this icon right here where it's the Discover all the way under right here. Now from here you're gonna have to go on the search button right here and you're gonna have to search up GTA 5 RP. RP means roleplay. Once you do that, as you guys can see, all the servers just came up. Now from here you could pick one. So if I were you, I would probably go for the biggest servers. For example, this one right here has 72k member. This one right here has 64k members. They're all online right now. So you could play with any of the people on the server. Is going to be super active. Servers like this where they only have 4,000 people, 200 people, 100 people, 300 people. It's not going to be as active. So go with big servers if I were you. So I'm going to go with this server right here, for example. Now from here, as you guys can see, you have an option right here where it says join Majestic P. And you see how many people just joined in like a second. So you just click on this, click on start. And as you guys can see, you are in the server. So this server right here is going to ask you to pick your formation. So just pick one, doesn't matter. Just scroll down, finish. And as you guys can see, I'm in the server right now. There's people in the voice chat. There's people typing and everything. So this is a non-English server, I'm guessing. But if you want to join other servers that are English, it's going to be there. So if this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.